modulus or an absolute value of a complex number. Now again, two new terms for you. Now basically, what is a modulus or a absolute value? Let's first of all, before explaining, let me define it. Definition: the absolute value or modulus of any complex number z, where z is equal to a plus iota b, and as we have discussed, a and b, a comma b belongs to set of real numbers and is denoted by like this bar, and in between the bars z, that is called modulus of z. Now here I have written modulus in front and here I have written after absolute value, because pronunciation always we are pronouncing modulus. Okay, so that's why modulus of any complex number, it is denoted by z, modulus of z, or modulus of a plus iota b, one and the same thing, and is given by modulus of z is equal to modulus of a plus iota b is equal to square root of a square plus b square. This is what a modulus is. Basically, now what modulus is, let me tell you one thing. Now I have just drawn a graph here. Now suppose we are having just representing a complex number. Now we are having this as a origin. Suppose this is point z, let this be one of the axes. Now we are having, let z is equal to 3 plus 4 iota. Now real axis, this is the real axis. So real axis we are having 3. So this point is 3. Okay, and imaginary axis, at imaginary axis we are having 4. This is imaginary axis, and at imaginary axis we are having 4. So this point represents z, that is a complex number. So this represents z, which is equal to 3 plus 4 iota. Now in the graphical part, geometrical representation, we can just say, suppose now this point is P and this point is Z. So we are knowing now that OP is equal to Z and ZP is equal to 4. Then what OZ will be? What OZ will be? Using Pythagoras theorem. So OZ is what? Square root of 3 square plus 4 square. This is OZ. Same thing here. Now modulus of Z, according to our formula, it is 3 square plus 4 square. Is it clear? So modulus of Z is here 5. Square root of 25, that is 5. Now from here to here, OZ, now this represents what? 5. OZ is equal to 5. So what this, from these two, what we are getting? We are getting that the absolute value or modulus of a complex number is just the distance from origin to the given complex number. This is what? This is just a simple thing to remember the modulus part. So now we are having a modulus and we are going to use in the modulus this formula. This was just the explanation for you.